Hello everyone, I am Sanjeev Pandey and today this is video 8 on the chapter The Tiger King written by Kalki. Let us start. We know that the tiger was killed by one of the hunters and the king ordered that the tiger should be brought to the capital. And after ordering, the king went away. Now see what happened. Then as commanded by the king, the dead tiger was taken in procession through the town and buried. A tomb was erected over it. Then, as commanded, then, as per the order of the king, then, as per the order of the king, the dead tiger was taken in procession through the town and buried. And the tiger was buried. A tomb was erected. Erect means built. See, this is the picture of a tomb. A tomb was erected means built over it, over the tiger, over the dead body of the tiger. A few days later, the Maharaja's son's third birthday was celebrated. A few days later, the Maharaja's son's third birthday was celebrated. Until then, the Maharaja had given his entire mind over to tiger hunting. Actually, previously, the Maharaja was totally busy in tiger hunting. That's why he could not give his full attention to his son. But now he was free from the tiger hunting and he decided to give his full attention to his son. Now see, until then the Maharaja had given his entire mind over to tiger hunting. He had no time to spare for the crown prince. Previously, he had no time spare for the crown prince. But now the king turned his attention to the child. But now the king turned his attention to the child. He wished to give him some special gift on his birthday. He means the king wished to give his son some special gift on his birthday. He went to the shopping center. He went to the shopping center in Pratibandhapuram and searched every shop. And he searched for the gift in every shop, but couldn't find anything suitable. But he could not find any gift suitable for his son. Finally, means in the last, he spotted means Shah. Finally, means in the last, he means the king spotted means Shah, a wooden tiger. Wooden tiger means a tiger made of wood in a toy shop and decided, and the king decided it was the perfect gift, and he decided that it was the perfect gift for his son. The wooden tiger cost only 2 annas and a quarter. The cost of the wooden tiger was only 2 annas quarter and a quarter. But the shopkeeper knew that if he quoted such a low price to the Maharaja, but the shopkeeper knew that if he quoted such a low price to the Maharaja, he would be punished under the law, under the rules of the emergency. He would be punished under the rules of the emergency. So he said, Your Majesty, this is an extremely, means very much rare, matchless, paragon, example of craftsmanship, art, carpentry. Your Majesty, this is an extremely rare example of craftsmanship. A bargain at 300 rupees. A bargain at 300 rupees. And he told that the price of the wooden tiger was 300 rupees at a bargain. And seeing that the wooden tiger was very costly, the king became happy because he wanted to give his son costly gift, expensive gift. Very good. He said that it was very good. Let this be your offering. Here, offering means gift. Let this be your offering. Your means here that shopkeepers. Offering means gift to the crown prince on his birthday, said the king, and took it away. And he took it means the wooden tiger with him. And the king took the wooden tiger with him. On that day, father and son, on that day, when the wooden tiger was purchased and brought to palace, on that day, father and son played with that tiny small little wooden tiger. Both the father and son played with that small wooden tiger. It had, it means the wooden tiger. See the picture of wooden tiger, and this is time of celebration of birthday party. See now, see the next line. It means the wooden tiger had been carved by an unskilled, untrained, without talent carpenter. Actually, this wooden tiger had been prepared by carving by a carpenter who was unskilled, who was not having any talent. Its surface of the wooden tiger was rough. Its surface was rough, tiny, small slivers. Sliver means chips, screws of wood, and small screws of, you can say, chips of wood stood up like quills. Quills means like feather pens all over it, and small screw chips of wood stood up like quills, like feather pens all over it, all over the tiger. One of those slivers, one of those slivers pierced, means punctured the Maharaja's right hand. One of those slivers pierced the Maharaja's right hand, means it punctured the right hand of the Maharaja. He pulled it. He pulled it, the king, the Maharaja pulled it out with his left hand and continued to play with the prince. And the Maharaja did not care for the injury, and he continued to play with the prince.
The next day, infection flared. Flared means spread in the Maharaja's right hand. In 4 days, it developed into a suppurating sore. Suppurating means ripen, full of pus. It means to say the sore became full of pus, which spread all over the arm. 3 surgeons were brought in from Madras. 3 surgeons were brought in from Madras. After holding a consultation, they decided to operate. Consultation means advice. After holding a consultation, they means the doctors, the surgeons decided to operate. They decided to do operation. The operation took place. The operation took place. The 3 surgeons who performed it came out of the theatre and announced. The 3 surgeons who performed it means the operation came out of the theatre and they announced the operation was successful. They announced that the operation was successful. The Maharaja is dead. See what type of announcement they made. They made the announcement that the operation was successful, but the Maharaja was dead. In this manner, the 100th tiger took its final revenge upon the Tiger King. In this manner, the 100th tiger took its final revenge upon the Tiger King. And the prediction of the chief astrologer came to be true. In the last, revenge was taken. Thank you. Have a nice day.